Out of there.
Ain't nothing but against the party.
Like that up, Slim. Why you acting like that?
YouTube, what is up? It's the kid, the boy, Nick's Kicks 35. You tune into another episode, and what we got today is something special. We got another pickup from Stockx. I love Stockx, love doing business with Stockx. They make it very simple, very easy, and a painless process to buy sneakers. I buy the sneakers, I ain't got to worry about it. They come about a week later. That's what's up. I got me a little screwdriver. I'm going to get into this box. So let's open this bad boy up. God damn it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. But box is a little bit damaged. So as you can tell, it's a Jordan 1. Size 13. I swear, every time I buy a pair of Jordan 1s off of StockX, they always come from Foot Action. Like every one I got. I think my red toes came from Foot Action. My black toes. Like every time I get a pair of Jordan 1s off of them, it's always that. I haven't seen these in hand at all. So let's get into it. No need for the lid. There goes my receipt. Little note. StockX. Post. Whatever. No sticker. Gotta be somewhere. And there we have it. Your Game Royal 1s. Reminiscent of the Chicago 1s color blocking. But with that royal blue. Let's pull these babies out. Got your royal blue laces, black laces in it. I seen these rock with white laces. I might rock with those. And oh, they're stepping up. Verified, authentic, StockX tag. Let me get a good whiff of these guys. I gotta get another one. I'm sorry. Smell fantastic. So I watched some videos. People have been talking about the leather quality of the shoe, but I'm just like gonna check my pair out. And I mean, this is straight live. I'm not gonna sit there and like stop the video and come back. I mean, this blue part, let me pull these out. So on my pair, this blue is pretty decent. It's not great, but the blue part of the shoe is pretty decent. The white part, to me, that's no different than the black toes or anything like that. I mean, but the blue parts of the shoe are pretty decent. They're alright. I mean, not terrible, but I mean, not the greatest. So these things are not on no like, you know, bread, royal type quality, or Chicago 1, or shattered backboard, or like any of those type of shoes. I mean, I feel like the black toes are better, but I mean, the quality is a little bit in between like black toes and like yin yang type quality on these guys. So, but still, I mean, if the leather is pretty soft, I'm rocking with it. It's a lot better than what we used to get back in like 2013, 2014, and all those types of years. So we got, bust out the other pair. I mean, you guys seen the review on these. I mean, it's the same exact color blocking as the Chicago 1s, except where it is royal. I mean, where it was red, it's royal, and they put a black tongue on these guys. Other than that, blue bottoms. I mean, I think these are dope. I mean, people call these poor man frags, but I think they're much more different. You can't really call them poor man frags. I mean, that was a collab that had a different color blocking. I mean, that one was similar to the black toe. But I do not have the Chicago Air Jordan 1. I would love to get that shoe. I am hunting for a good price on those bad boys. So I'm going to hit you with some B-roll and an on foot of these guys right here. And that's going to be the end of the video today. I think they're worth the hype. I mean, I paid $200 for these guys. So $200 is not bad. I mean, I think that's pretty good for these. I'm happy with my pickup. So if you want to see more StockX pickups, more Soul Steel mystery boxes, I'll be dropping those soon too. So got more videos on the way. This is Nick's Kicks 35. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that mess at the bottom. I greatly appreciate it. As soon as one of my videos get 50 likes, I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. So don't forget to smash that like button, Nick's Kicks 35. Smash that sub button. Comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks. I appreciate it. So there goes the on foot and the B-roll. Peace. So here's the Air Jordan 1 game rolls on foot. I threw white laces on the left shoe. I just think the shoe looks much better with the white laces in it. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. It just pops a little bit more than the black laces to me. On foot, the shoe feels pretty good, even though the quality's not on par like some of the recent releases, but I think they're just fine. Good enough for me. And I'm in love with the Air Jordan 1 Game Royal. I think it's an instant classic. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is Nick's Kicks 35, and we're out. Peace.